Hello, amazing Forex traders. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emmanuel. As you all know, I'm a swing trader and I believe that swing trading is the best way to trade Forex. Most of you have been following me for a long while now. We know that I've been trading with a swing trading strategy because why I say that swing trading is the best way to trade Forex is because swing trading is going to give you that freedom, it's going to allow you focus on your job while you trade. It's going to allow you focus on your studies while you trade. It's going to allow you do other things. Focus on your business while you trade. So that's why I always recommend swing trading for anyone out there. It's going to suit anything you are doing, any job you're doing, any course you're studying in school. Swing trading is going to allow you pursue your trading career and also pursue other career at the same time. So you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the sixth episode of Chart Stock. We did the fifth episode. We talk about NSD USD, which is also in profits currently. Those who took the trade with me are also making money from the trade, and I myself is also making money for the trade because that is the main reason why I'm here. I'm here to make money with you guys, and I will be happy if you're making that money with me, not just watching my videos, listening to what I'm saying. Then after everything, you go back without even practicing what I'm teaching or even trying to execute the trade I do put out there. Because I want you guys to be profitable with me, and I want you guys to be swing traders like the way I am. I want you to be perfect like the way I am. I know that I won't say that I'm totally perfect because I don't think anyone in the world is totally perfect. But I think you need to be like, let me use the word good the way I am. I want you to be good the way I am in trading. So guys, today episode of Chat Stock, we'll be talking about USD based pairs. You understand? Last week was NFP, and so I came back in the evening, Friday evening, to check my charts. I saw some movement on some USD based pairs, which I did want to talk about it on this chart stock episode. So I want to like break it down on some USD pairs. So some traders are, I feel some people don't know what is going on in the USD pairs. I want to reveal the secret to you. You guys know how I used to do it. It's not magic. It's not rocket science. It's just price action with I use the most basic things in Forex to analyze the basic things in Forex to execute. I use the most basic things in Forex to trade. So I want to give you guys the secret of what is going on in the market. I want to tell you guys what's going on. These USD pairs, USD based pairs. And I also want to show you guys what next or what you should be expecting on these pairs. I want to show you guys what you should be like, anticipating to happen on these pairs. I want to show you guys all these on my chart. So guys, if the first time you're just joining us, if the first time you're coming across this channel, please hit the subscribe button because this channel is going to change your trading career for real. And if you've been following me for a long while and you haven't subscribed, please do so. You're also helping the community to grow and you're also doing yourself a favor. Because why did I say that? If you subscribe to this channel, you will be one of the first people that will get notified anytime I upload a video here, anytime I upload a trade or a setup that is going to play out fast, anytime I upload it on this channel, you are going to be part of first people who are going to get a notification of that post and execute that trade and make money with me. But when you are not subscribed to the channel, you won't get notified early. Maybe you come to see the video after 2 days later I posted, or after 3 days, or even a week later after I posted. You only gonna regret. You understand? So I don't want you to regret. I want you to be part of the community. So subscribe to the channel, help the channel grow, and also help yourself. So I won't be talking much about that. So guys, I'll be switching to my screen. Let's know what's up. Like my Nigerian brothers, let's know what's up. Let's know what's happening in the market. Let's break things down. Let's make money. Let's make money with the market because we are here to make money. So, guys, I'll be switching to my screen now. Make sure you subscribe. Don't joke with me. Make sure you subscribe. So, let's go to my screen. So, welcome to my chat, guys. Welcome to my chat. Let's know what is going on. This is okay. Let's start with gold today because I said I will be talking about USD based pairs. There's a lot have been happening on USD based pairs, a lot of movement, crazy movement after the NFP. Even before the NFP, there's some movements I've been seeing. So let's start off with gold. Let's know what gold is saying. Let's know the information gold is giving to us, because I use market structure to, like, know what the market is saying. You understand? So let's delete all this. Let's delete all this. It's been long I came to this chart. Let's delete all this. Long I came to this chart. Good, good. I haven't traded gold for this year at all. I haven't taken a single trade on gold this year because I couldn't even see a trade, like a good trade on gold. So this is the monthly time frame. This is called this blue bars you're seeing here. Let me zoom out properly. These blue bars you are seeing right above and below here are key levels. These are my key levels. I use them to, spot out support and resistance, significant support and resistance that are going to affect me on the 4 hour and the daily time frame. Excuse me. On the 4 hour and the daily time frame. You get me? So I do go to the monthly time frame to place these key levels to be able to, when I'm in the 4 hour time frame or when I'm in the daily time frame, I try as much to avoid them anytime markets come close to them, because I know that those supports or resistance are very powerful and they can make the market react in a, very unusual way. So as you guys can see, I place my key levels. It's not that hard. Not hard. Let me Not hard. You just have to, like, press it low, like, spot the support and resistance. It's one of the easiest things to do. It doesn't take me a minute to spot a key level on a chart, no matter how that chart is. It doesn't take me a minute. Once I just look at the chart, boom, I already know where to place them. So guys, enough of that. I talked about my patterns and the rest. There's a video I'm going to drop the link or the description of this particular video. You can go to that video to learn more about my strategy. If this is the first time you're coming across my channel, I did a lot of explanation about my strategy on that video. So you need to go watch that video for you to be able to understand anything I'm explaining on the chart. So I'm going to drop the link of the video on the description to make it easy for you to find the video. Just go there, watch, and once you watch it and come back to my chat, you understand what I'm saying. So guys, this is the monthly time frame, and what's the information the monthly time frame is giving us? So as you guys can see, gold is on a very bullish trend, a very strong bullish trend. Like, when I mean a very strong bullish trend, you guys can see it from here. Tap, and it went off. It broke off this resistance. You guys know how many years gold stayed in this resistance. It broke it out and it was moving up. It was moving up. It was moving up. It was moving up. I caught gold I think July last year. That was the last time I traded gold. I think around July or August last year. As at this time last year, that was when I traded gold. So since then I haven't seen a setup to, like, jump on gold. I haven't seen a setup that suits my trading style, a setup that suits my strategy. So let's move on the monthly time frame. We have seen a bullish trend. So let's go to the weekly time frame and know what the weekly time frame is saying. So according to the weekly time frame, it's same thing. It's a bullish trend. It's a bullish trend on the weekly time frame. There's one thing with the trend. You need to trade according to the trend. You don't need to trade. Don't trade against the trend. It's going to affect you a lot. It's going to really affect you a lot. So weekly time frame is giving us a bullish move, a bullish signal that this market is on a bullish trend. So let's go to the daily time frame where we can, check if we can see setups that we are going to trade, or if we are going to just sit back and still watch good. So according to the daily time frame, I'm seeing something like this here. I hope you guys can see it very clearly. Let me zoom out for you guys. Can see something like this here. Can see something like this here. So I use this bar to figure out, support or resistance that I see on the daily or 4 hour time frame. So this is a a support which gold has been unable to break below. It's on a bullish trend. So this support was the last place it tapped before it came here, and gold has been ranging. Gold has been ranging. So you guys can see how a lot of traders who are trying to trade gold may be losing, but they don't know why they are losing. This is a bullish market, and inside that bullish market is ranging. Let me understand. This gold is like in a box. Gold is in a box. Gold is in a box. Where can I find this? Gold is in a box. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys. Gold is in a box. Gold is in a box. You can see it. You can see it right here. You can see that gold is in this box for God knows how long it has been on this box, because it's been I've been away from my gold chart for a long time now. Let's go to the monthly time frame. Let's know how long gold has been ranging on inside this box. A lot of traders are trying to buy, a lot of traders are trying to sell, a lot of traders are trying to make money in this market like this. Okay, how many months? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 months. 5 months. And we are in the seventh month of the year. So for the last 5 months, gold has been ranging. Imagine how many traders have blown their account in this. Because guys, I want you guys to know about this. Anytime the market is ranging, please stay away from that market, because it's very like that's where you see that market is very volatile. Say on the ranging market, you see how markets will be dropping, going up, dropping and going, like you can see here, it's dropping, going up, dropping, going up, it's unable to break above, it's unable to break below. You don't even know the direction. If you should ask me where is gold heading to now, I know it's on the bullish trend, but I don't know if it's still going to go higher or not. You understand me? I don't know if it's going to go higher or not, because it's ranging. It's ranging. It hasn't made a decision yet, or if it's still going to keep going higher, or if it's going to reverse a little to the downside before it starts going higher. So you guys can see that gold is in a range. You don't need to think much about it. You don't need to stress yourself about knowing what's happening. Gold is in the range. So let's check trend lines. Let's check our trend lines and know what gold is saying with the trend lines. I like using trend lines because most times when market want to change, let's start from the most immediate trend line here. The most immediate trend line here that is close to that market. This one is very far from the market. You can see it is very far from the market. Um, um, this is also far from the market. Also far from the market. Also far from gold. This is one of the closest. Let's go to the daily time frame. Let's see, we'll see anyone that is close. You guys can see I'm drawing the trend line perfectly. You guys can see I'm drawing the trend line perfectly. Let's go to the daily time frame. Let's see which one is the closest to this range in markets. Which trend line is the closest? Which trend line is the closest? This trend line is the closest. There's something I just noticed now, guys. It's in a ranging market and it has broken this trend line. Meanwhile, this is a range. Let me take off the box. Market is in a range, but something else is about to happen inside that range. So let's take this off. Market is retesting this trend line. Let's come to the 4 hour. Let's see how it's testing the trend line. And good. I feel market is about to break out from that range. So as you guys can see, gold is retesting this trend line. Gold is probably retesting this trend line. And once you retest this trend line and trigger a bullish movement here, which is an engulfing candle from here, it shows that gold is going to fall below. And when gold is falling, When gold is falling, I think the network is kind of bad. When the gold is falling, it's going to fall back to all these trend line have drawn here. It's going to fall back to all these trend line that have drawn here. That's how it's going to fall. But this is a bullish market. You understand? This is a bullish market, so we need to be careful. So if you are going to sell gold, if I'm going to sell gold, if I'm to sell gold, this is what I'll do. If I should sell gold from this point, if I should, gold should give me an execution around here. If gold should give me execution around here, see what I'll do. If gold should give me execution around here, I'll take my profit here. I'll take my profit here. Take my profit here first. Here will be my first take profit, and here will be my second take profit. It's not too far from each other. I know my reasons why I choose those places. Reasons why I choose those places is because these places are still within inside that range. If you guys could remember the box that I drew, this place, these places are still within inside that range. So there's a possibility that gold is selling, maybe it came here, retested the trend line and is falling down. It's just coming to test this downside and still want to go up. It's still within that range. So why I choose this place is because it's still within that range. Let me draw that box for you guys again to understand. I want you guys to understand what I'm saying. I want you guys to understand what I'm saying. My mouse has been acting weird these days. So it's still within that range. Can you understand? That's why I said my first take profit will be here. My first take profit will be here. My second take profit is still within the range. You understand? So anything that is going to make gold go below this range, then gold is definitely coming here. Anything that's going to make gold bust out from this range, gold is definitely coming to this trend line. Anything that will make gold not to retest this trend line here and keep going up, then gold is going to keep going up. Like it's still going to be bullish. So you guys understand what I'm saying. So this is a 50-50 trade. What do I mean by 50-50 trade? 50% that it's going to click is going to go away, 50% that is not going to go away. And you guys know when I say 50-50, most of my trade used to be 80-20. 80% that is going to go my way, then 20% for the doubt. But when I say 50-50, it's a risky trade, and I won't even risk up to 3%. I'm going to risk 1% of my 1 or 2% of my account on this trade if I should take this. If this trade should do what I want and give me the confirmation and I'm going to sell it, I won't take up to 3%. I'm going to take 1 or 1.5% on this trade because it's a 50-50 trade. You understand? So if you are looking to sell gold, just wait for a retest of this trend line. Go to your chart, do the analysis I do here too. Check, wait for a retest of this trend line, then you execute bearish engulfing candle you see next, you execute. You understand? So that's all for gold. Let's move to the next pair. Let's move to the next pair, guys. I have a lot of pair here to talk about with you guys, especially the JPYs, but I'm not going to talk about them today. I just want to talk about the USD based pairs, especially the JPYs. The JPYs, I'll say something on the JPYs. I do call the JPY mad dog. Call it mad dog because that pair, it doesn't know who you, it doesn't care who the fuck you are. It's going to mess you up. Those JPY pairs, they're going to dirty your white. They are going to dirty your white. So guys, this is the forward time frame of Euro USD. Let's go to the monthly time frame. As you guys can see, I won't keep explaining myself about my key level. You guys already know why they are here and how I plot them. You just have to like keep them on the most recent support or resistance to see at first, and then you look left, You place them according to, you know, see that I place it here, and it's another reason to know that your key level are very strong is that when you place them, you know, watch previous market price action, respecting it. Once you just drop it, bam, you see previous action, respect price action, respecting it. It shows that your key level is very correct. You understand? So this is Euro USD. Euro USD broke out from this mighty ancestral trend line as at earlier this year. So Euro USD is on a bullish trend. It's a bullish market. It's on a bullish trend. But currently, there are some bearish movements happening in Euro USD. So let's just move to the daily time frame. Let me show you guys what I'm saying. Let's move to the daily time frame. I believe you guys can see it clearly. So it broke out from this trend line from around here. It came retested and went to the upside, but currently it's bleeding. It's bleeding. It's bleeding seriously, seriously bleeding. But not that it's bleeding totally. There's still a trend line here. There's an upward trend line here. So it's that trend. So far, this trend line has not been broken. So far, this trend line has not been broken, and I don't think USD is going to fall that below. It's just, you know, reversing down to the downside before it keeps going up. So currently, there's a bearish movement going on it. And if you want to trade this bearish movement, you also need to be careful. You also need to be careful because it's kind of, you know, kind of executing a bearish trade on a bullish market. So on Euro USD, I expect a rising wedge. I don't take this kind of retests for execution. I expect a rising wedge. There's also a possibility that Euro USD may blow above here and keep going. There's a possibility that it's going to give a rising wedge and keep falling. You understand, to this trend line. So I wanted to give a rising wedge so we can trade it. You understand? We can trade it to down here. You understand? So I'm expecting a bearish setup on Euro USD. Meanwhile, the trend is bullish. The trend is bullish. USD trend is bullish, but we are seeing a bearish movement currently on it. Some traders made a mistake. They went to execute Euro USD when it was here, and it went up as they wanted, but it fell. So Euro USD, I'm expecting a bearish setup. If you don't want to give a bearish setup, just keep going up. That's what I'm going to say about Euro USD. If you won't give us a bearish setup, just keep going up. Give us a bullish setup instead. If you want to give us a bullish setup, give us a bullish setup. Just keep going up so we can make money. We can make money from you. Are you getting me? So we can make money from you. We can make bread from you. So that's all for Euro USD. I guess you guys understand. Trend line, monthly trend line have been broken, it retested. Market was bullish, market started going down, showing bearish movement, and you guys can see a double top on Euro USD daily time frame. If you go to the video I'm talking about where I explained about my strategy, you understand what I mean by a double top and how to trade a double top. You understand? So this is what I'm saying about this double top. If USD, okay, let me, guys, wait, you guys should wait. Let me draw this trend line. Okay, it has been broken. So this is what I'm saying about Euro USD. This is a double top, and there's likely a bearish movement to happen on Euro USD before the bullish movement is going to continue. You understand me? So be careful, be careful. If this bearish setup should play out, I'm going to come up here on my YouTube channel to update you guys. Join my link to my Telegram channel is also down below. I do post informations there, so make sure you join the community so you'll be getting first-hand information from me too. So if we should get a setup from here, then I'll definitely come and update you guys. I'll definitely come and update you guys. So let's move to GBP USD. Let's move to GBP USD. GBP USD. So guys, on GBP USD, let's move to the monthly time frame. Let's break things down. On GBP USD, this is the monthly time frame. The almighty bearish trend line has been broken, not just broken, but it was retested, and markets keep going up. Markets keep going up. So GBP USD is on a bullish trend, but there is a strong bearish movement going on GBP USD. So you need to be careful. In as much as the market is bullish on a bullish trend, there is a bearish movement going on actively on um, GBP USD. So on the weekly time frame, it's also showing us that it's on a bullish trend, but that bullish trend is kind of look like something that is about to break because let me go to the daily time frame to show you guys something. If you come to the daily time frame, you watch that there is a trend line that has been holding GBP USD, and that trend line has been broken. I say, if you guys remember what I said in my video about my strategy, this is a reversal chart pattern. Once you see a reversal chart pattern, your brain should tell you that market is about to reverse. This is a head and shoulder. For those who watch that video, if you watch that video, you will understand what I'm saying. You will understand what I'm saying. This is a head and shoulder. Market was trending, and it gave us a a head and shoulder right here, and it broke the trend line immediately after that head and shoulder. You guys can see this trend line has been broken. Let me just remove it from the chart since it has been broken. This trend line has been broken. So market is bearish, like strongly bearish on GBP USD currently, because I think the next place the market is going to fall into is down below here, down below here, down below here. Market is coming down below here. So it has given a head and shoulder, it's falling. So there's anything that's going to make the market not to fall that deep. Maybe it's this place that's going to hold it. This is another threat again from ABPSD not to fall below. Maybe this support is going to hold it not to fall below. You understand? But if this support to fail to hold GBPSD not to fall below, then we are coming right to 1.27159. 1.27159. So is in as much that you are seeing a bullish trend, you are seeing a bullish movement, there is market. Once you see a market reversal, just know that that bullish movement is about to change. When you see a market reversal chart pattern, know that that bullish movement is about to change. If you're in a bearish market and you see a reversal chart pattern, just know that that trend is about to change. So if you are still buying, you're going to lose your money because the trend has changed. The trend has changed. It has totally changed. Market will always give you information before it burns you. But most of you are too ignorant that you don't want to even listen or see the information, see the signals that market is giving to you. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So most of you are too ignorant to see that signs market is showing to you. Market is telling you that, see, this is what is going to happen. This is what's going to happen. This is what's going to happen. But you are too, you don't care. You just want to make money. It's not about making money. You need to be very, 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 what will I say? Very conservative. You need to be very conservative when trading. You need to be very conservative when trading. So this is a head and shoulder formed on the daily time frame, which signifies market reversal. So I'm expecting market to come and retest the neckline of this head and shoulder and give us a rising wedge chart pattern for us to execute this trade to this level, which is 1.3638. This will be our first take profit. Hope you guys understand. This is a head and shoulder formed on the daily time frame, which broke a bullish trend line, a bullish trend. It signifies market reversal to the downside. The neckline must be retested before we execute. The neckline must be retested before we execute. So while we wait for it, I'm still going to update you guys. Make sure you join my Telegram channel. Make sure you join my Telegram channel because I will be dropping more updates about this trade, all this trade, these pairs I talked about. I'll be dropping updates about them because I'll be looking at them because I myself want to make money. So if you want to make money with me, you also need to be where you be getting information from me. So that is why you need to join my Telegram channel. You need to be where you be getting information from me. You need to be where you be getting, I do go live. There's some setup I will see, maybe it's happening so fast, I'll go live. We execute it together. You understand? So um let me do a recap. Let me do a summary of these three pairs I've talked about. Let me do a summary for you guys. So gold is in a range. Gold is in a range. It has broken a trend line. If it's going to fall below, then this will be our first take profit, 3,269. Second take profit will be 3,243. I'm still going to update you guys if I see a bearish setup there. I'm going to or either upload a video or update you guys on my Telegram channel. So make sure you join my Telegram channel. But currently, gold is in a range. Don't click any careless buy and sell. Don't click any careless buy and sell. Please don't give the market your money. Don't give that your money you've saved for a long time to the market. Don't give that money you took from your business, you collected from your parents to the market. Please and please wait for me to update you guys. Wait for me to tell you guys what's going to happen. You understand? So, but for now, keep your hands crossed. Keep your hands crossed, guys. I don't want these guys, these brokers to keep, I don't want them to be eating your money. Please stop dashing them your money. You need to be collecting money from them, not dashing them your savings. So on Euro USD, it's on a bearish trend. A bearish trend line was broken. It gave us a double top, which signifies market reversal. But there's a trend line we are expecting it to fall into, which is this trend line. So currently we are waiting for a retest, and it has already retest. We're waiting for a bounce off from this. Let me zoom out for you guys. Waiting for a bounce up from this support that has turned to a resistance. Waiting for a bounce up from here, boom, then we execute to the downside. That's what we are expecting on Euro USD. In as much that the more bullish is a bullish trend, but the trend has reversed to be bearish. Why did the trend reverse? There is a trend line here. I'm repeating this for you guys to understand what I'm saying. Where there's a trend line here. There's a trend line here. I believe you guys can see me. There's a trend line here. I believe you guys can see it clearly. This trend line has been broken. You guys can see that the trend line has been broken. Let me check if I place it well. Yes, I placed it well. The trend line has been broken, and this is a double top market reversal chart pattern. So markets have given us information that I have start reversing. So that's why you need to trade according to the what the trend is giving you, the immediate trend, what the immediate trend is telling you. In as much that this is a bullish, when you go to the monthly time frame, it's showing us a bullish trend. But on a daily time frame, it has broken a trend line that is holding that bullish trend that you are seeing on the monthly time frame. And that trend, that broken the trend line gave us a double top, which shows that it's reversing. So we are waiting for a retest, a bounce down from this support that have turned to resistance here. Down bounce down from this support, then we execute. That's for Euro USD. Then the recap for GBP USD, as you all know, we are all expecting bearish movement on these three pairs. And that doesn't mean that tomorrow morning, or maybe as I'm recording this video as a Sunday, that doesn't mean that Monday you won't see a bullish movement, or no. Markets, anything can happen in the market, but these are just our expectations. You understand? So if the market should fall into our expectations, to fall into what we want, then it went to our favor, and we are going to make money with it. So on GBP USD, as you guys can see here clearly, we are expecting a bearish setup here. Market trend, the trend has been broken. Reversal chart pattern formed, neckline broken, for a retest. We are just waiting for a retest and a bearish setup. So I'm going to be updating you guys on my Telegram channel about all these trades. So if you don't want to miss out, join my Telegram channel now. I'll put the link on the description so you can join my Telegram channel, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because I will be uploading videos about all these trades I've talked about now, all these pairs I've talking about. Once our what we are expecting them to do is happening, I'll come here to update you guys, tell you guys what to do, tell you guys how we can make the money together. So thank you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and please, after watching my video, go back to your chart. Please go back to your chart. All the things I've done here, the way I place my key level, the way I draw my trend line, go back to your chart and draw them. Go back to your chart and place them the way I place them. You won't learn everything in just watching and keeping your phone or closing your laptop. No, you will learn everything by practicing it, and by practicing it you won't learn it a day in a day. You will practicing it regularly till you understand everything I'm explaining here. I want you guys to be understand, because this thing will become like this chat talk will be more interesting to you if you are understanding it. So when you are not understanding it, it won't be interesting to you, because imagine just imagine a deaf kid. A deaf kid is in a school, so the teacher is teaching and talking about things, but the kid is not even hearing what the teacher is saying because the kid is deaf. The class and the lectures and everything won't be interesting to that kid. You understand? You need to be practicing what I'm doing so you'll be able to be understanding everything I'm saying here. So try your possible best to go back to your screen, go back to your laptop, analyze, put things the way I put them. Check even the way I draw the range bar, like that box, gold, trend line, and everything. This will make you understand more. So next, on my next, if I post a video again and you come and watch and try, so from there you'll be learning. You understand? I'm not asking you guys for money. I'm not even selling any courses at this time. So use this opportunity now that I'm giving you guys this free information, free everything, free to you guys. Use this opportunity to learn how to trade. You understand? Use this opportunity to learn how to trade the way I trade. So please make sure you subscribe to the channel so you get notified every time I upload a video. Yeah, guys. So thank you guys for watching to the end. Thank you guys for sticking to the end and watching to the end of this video. I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Bye.